Let's talk about this underrated meme coin, the most underrated meme coin on Base Network, called the DEGEN, as you can see right here, guys. So we are going to be seeing it on CoinMarketCap to see how it has been doing so far in the last 24 hours, and also the realistic price prediction for this project in the coming full all season, which we're about entering. So do well to subscribe, hit the bell icon in case you haven't, and also share this video to your friends and family so that they don't miss out these amazing projects, guys. So we're going to be looking at the realistic price prediction for DEGEN meme coin on Base Network for the coming full alt season, which we are about entering, guys. So this project has a lot of potentials in it. So this project is more like a Doshi meme coin and also Tobu meme coin, guys, but there's something special about this project, guys. I feel like this project is one of the Base meme coin that is likely to meet up with the holders' expectation, guys. As a matter of fact, you can see that it is now held by over 1.1 million holders, to show how incredible this project is, guys, to show how a lot of traders are already interested in this project, guys. Now, if we are to check out the previous all-time high price of this project real quick, I don't intend making this video lengthy, you realize that it experienced its all-time high price that was 2 years ago, and as of then it went as high as 6 cents, as you can see right here. And comparing the performance right now, it has dropped down minus 99% to the current price, which we are currently experiencing right now, which is 0.306886 as of the time of recording this video. Now, the all-time low price is also 2 years ago, which was 0.608118, as you can see right here, guys. And comparing the performance from its all-time low price to the current price, you realize that DEGEN has bumped as high as over 84,000% to the current price, which we are now experiencing, guys. According to CoinMarketCap data, it shows clearly that DEGEN market cap went almost $500 million market cap, which you can see right here. DEGEN market cap as of then went as high as $570 million market cap, which is massive for this meme coin, guys. So if the market cap can go as high as this previously, with a price of 6 cents, there's tendency that by the time we are getting to 6 cent price again, the market cap will be higher than this, guys. I mean, I'll still coming to that. Now, you can see that it is already been listed on some major popular cryptocurrency exchange already. If you want to purchase this project, it's available on Uniswap V3. It's available on Coinbase Exchange, Binance Alpha, OKX, Bybit Exchange, BitGet, Gate.io, KuCoin. It's available on MEXC, and lastly, the HTX Exchange, guys. So you can see that it's already available on some major popular cryptocurrency exchange. So what is still pulling you back, guys? Load up your bag where you still have the opportunity, where the opportunity is still at your doorstep, while we are still experiencing an undervalued market cap for this project, as you can see right here, guys, because with your small investment capital, you'll be opportune to purchase on certain large quantity of this project as we speak. Now, 100x from this market cap, we'll be expecting the market cap of $1.5 billion market cap, which is very, very possible for this project, guys, considering its previous performance. Now, if you should be expecting such market cap, then we should be expecting the price of 7 cents for this project. So what's your take about the price prediction? In my own opinion, DEGEN price can go as high as 7 cents by the time we finally enter the full altcoin season, guys. This project is going to explode massively, and if care is not taken, the market cap can even go as high as over the predicted market cap for it, and as well the price for DEGEN, guys. The price is likely to even outperform the predicted price for DEGEN by the time we finally enter the full alt season. Drop your take of what you think about this project in the comment section below. I don't intend making this video lengthy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Have a lovely day.